me. Help me.
I don't think he wants it. Give it.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Meet the brave pup until the vet shows up. Stick around and laugh out loud.
Luna, swim faster. You're not gonna get away.
That smirk says, "Nice try, human. Not today." Somebody please tell this pup that's not how invisibility works. Well, somebody's a big fan of this clinic.
Toma, toma.
Alfie. Alfie. I rolled your window down. And you just go sit there? Alfie.
Right, Hetty, we have to go into the vet, okay?
Nothing's heavier than a vet-dodging dog. Good luck, owner.
So over the, I literally don't want to get glam.
This pupper's cleared for takeoff, Doc. Next stop, Petville.
Are you okay?
From fluffy cloud to soggy noodle in 2 seconds flat. Still adorable, though.
Sasha, you need to go in. Come on.
Husky.exe has officially crashed. Error location, vet's office.
Sasha, come on.
Hi. Can I touch you? No.
When life gives you vets, roll over and demand belly rubs. That's the law.
Let's go get our skates. Wait for me, I got little legs.
ไม่มีใครช่วยหนูหรอก
Hoka, come to the car. Come on. Hoka, come on.
Who needs acting school? My pup's been serving drama queen realness since day one.
Bro, he's not moving. Hoka.
Sweet pup alert. No wonder she's the vet's favorite patient. She looks like a hero, but between us, she's actually Sleeping Beauty in disguise. Mama dog trusts the vet 100%. Fingers crossed her little one bounces back soon. In case you didn't know, this is what spa day looks like for a dog. Prescription for this patient: unlimited smooches and endless cuddles.
Goodness, what a beautiful face. What a beautiful face. Oh, isn't he lovely?
Royal pause detected. Somebody bring the crown.
Oh my god, baby.
Reason 1,000,001 why being a vet is literally the best job in the universe.
It's okay. I know you don't like the vet. I don't like it either.
This dog's social network is bigger than yours. No offense.
Did you have to go to the vet? You did. Was it awful? Oh my goodness.
Wait, this isn't the park.
You ready to go doctor? Do you know you're getting ready to go into the doctor? Does that make your nerves bad?
Who needs a shadow when you've got a clingy Shih Tzu in hug mode?
Yeah? Gimme. Good boy. Good boy.
Judging by his face, he's either a super fan of the clinic or plotting his escape.
Do you want to be my friend? Do you want a cookie? Oh my goodness! Do we want a cookie? Want another one? We want another one.
Bet he's wondering if growing those cheeks was worth it. Spoiler, it was.
When you're pouting because you have to go to the vet this morning.
Shift update. Pocket-sized puppy nurse just made everything 10,000% fluffier.
What's the matter?
For this pup, emergency room is just code for indoor playground.
Let's see here. Eating, drinking, stools are... So would you say they're soft to normal? Yeah. Okay.
That awkward moment when you nap so hard you wake up like, what year is it?
Come on, baby, we have to get out. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Get out of the car. Come on, babe. Come on, I have to lift you out. Come on. Oh.
Dr. Poodle reunions, the buddy comedy we didn't know we needed. Stay tuned.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Playing with dogs and cats all day.
I'm videoing.
Oscar-worthy vet visit drama. 10 out of 10 would watch again. Like, subscribe, and see ya.